In 2024, effective social media management is crucial for brands aiming to enhance their online presence and engage with their audience. The right tools can help streamline content creation, scheduling, and analytics, enabling businesses to navigate the ever changing social media landscape. So, in this video, I'll show you an in depth comparison of four leading social media management tools, which is Hootsuite, Buffer, Metricool, and Sprout Social. So, first, let's talk about Hootsuite. So Hootsuite has long been a leader in social media management, offering a comprehensive platform that allows users to manage multiple social accounts from one dashboard. It provides a variety of features to help brands optimize their social media strategies. So for its key features, it has a content scheduling feature. So Hootsuite enables users to schedule posts across multiple platforms, ensuring consistent engagement without the need for constant monitoring. Next feature is its analytics and reporting. So the tool offers robust analytics to track performance metrics, audience engagement, and post effectiveness, allowing users to refine their strategies based on data-driven insights. So the benefits of using Hootsuite is first, it's a multi-platform management. So users can manage all their social accounts from one place, saving time and improving efficiency. Another benefit is its comprehensive training and resources. Hootsuite offers extensive educational resources and customer support, helping users maximize the platform's potential. So now let's talk about Buffer. So Buffer is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for individuals and small businesses. It focuses on content scheduling and performance tracking, allowing users to maintain a consistent online presence. So the key features of Buffer is first, its easy scheduling. Buffer's intuitive scheduling tool lets users drag and drop posts onto a calendar, simplifying the planning process. Another key feature is its performance analytics. The platform provides insights into post performance, helping users understand what content resonates best with their audience. So the benefits of using Buffer is it's a user-friendly interface. Buffer's clean design makes it easy for users to navigate and manage their social media accounts, even if they are not tech savvy. Another benefit is its affordable pricing. Buffer offers various pricing plans, including a free tier, making it accessible for smaller businesses and individuals. And now let's talk about Metricool. So, Metricool aims to be an all in one social media management and analytics tool that integrates content scheduling, performance monitoring, and competitive analysis. It is designed for digital marketers who want a holistic view of their online presence. Metricool's unique proposition lies in its ability to not only manage social media, but also track blog performance and advertising campaigns, making it suitable for businesses looking to unify their digital marketing efforts. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive analytics make it easy for marketers to monitor their progress and adapt their strategies. So for its key features, so Metricool has a social media calendar. Metricool's visual calendar feature helps users plan and manage content effectively. It allows for easy scheduling and provides an overview of upcoming posts across platforms, ensuring a balanced content mix. Another key feature is its competitive analysis. This feature enables users to analyze their competitors' social media performance, offering insights into industry trends and benchmarks that can inform their strategies. So the benefits of using Metricool is it has integrated analytics. Metricool provides detailed performance reports across various platforms, helping users track engagement, reach, and other key metrics. It also has visual content management. The platform allows users to organize and manage visual content efficiently, ensuring that their social media profiles maintain a cohesive and appealing aesthetic. So now let's move on to Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a comprehensive social media management platform designed for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. It integrates social media scheduling, advanced analytics, customer engagement features, and team collaboration tools into a single solution. Sprout Social focuses on enhancing brand engagement and building customer relationships through its user friendly interface and powerful analytics capabilities. The platform is particularly favored by marketing teams looking for a robust solution that promotes collaboration and comprehensive performance tracking. So, for the key features, it has a smart inbox. Sprout Social Smart Inbox consolidates messages from various social media platforms into one unified inbox, allowing for efficient communication and fast response times. Next is advanced reporting. The platform offers in depth reporting capabilities that allow users to analyze metrics such as engagement rates, audience demographics, and campaign performance. So, for the benefits, it has enhanced customer engagement. So, by facilitating timely interactions with customers, Sprout Social helps brands build stronger relationships and improve customer satisfaction. It also has a collaboration feature. So, the platform includes tools that streamline teamwork among marketing professionals, making it easier for teams to work together on campaigns and strategies. So, as businesses navigate the complexities of social media in 2024, choosing the right management tool is essential for success. So, Hootsuite excels in its comprehensive features and educational resources, making it a top choice for larger teams. Buffer is ideal for those seeking simplicity and affordability, perfect for small businesses and individuals. Metricool offers a holistic approach to social media management, blending scheduling with competitive insights, while Sprout Social focuses on engagement and advanced analytics for deeper customer connections. So, by leveraging the right social media management tool, organizations can enhance their engagement strategies, drive growth, and achieve their marketing objectives. Evaluating these platforms based on specific needs and budget considerations is crucial for finding the best fit. So, for further insights, exploring the official websites of each tool can provide additional information on their features, pricing, and capabilities, ensuring you make an informed decision that aligns with your social media goals. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.